Hey, what's up YouTube? My girlfriend and I, we took today off work and we're on Eastern Shore fishing on the Bill Burton Fishing Pier. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Oh, I got a good one, babe. That's a good one. 9. It's a weird bite. I don't know what that is. Little rockfish. First rockfish of the year. And I can already tell this one's gonna grow up to be a 50-incher. Uh-oh, baby. Fish on the rod.
Yeah, real fast?
Yeah, real fast. He's on there. Reel.
Oh.
Hard. Wait. Let me see it. You're on the rocks. You're on the rock. Let go. You're on the rocks. He's under the pier. It's a big fish.
Okay.
It's a real big fish. Okay. Reel him in. Keep the line off. You gotta keep the line off the rocks, babe. Reel him up. Big channel cat. Lift him up with the rod now. Lift him up with the rod.
Stop.
Lift. All right. Hold him up. That's a big one. You caught him. I just helped. You set the hook and everything. Oh. See the far rod?
Hurry.
It might be a crab. I think it's a crab, babe. It's a crab, I think. Nope, it's a fish. Get him. He's on there too. Jerk it. Reel him and jerk.
Pull and drag, baby.
It's a stingray.
Huh?
It's a stingray.
You sure?
Yeah. It's gotta be. Let me reel him over the rod. Hold that. Keep that line off of here.
He's pulling drag. Fuck.
It's a big one.
Is it gonna break the rod?
No, you catch him, babe. Keep that line off the bridge. Come down this way, run.
Why?
Reel while you run. Keep going. Reel.
Can't do both.
Yeah, you can. Keep moving.
Why are we doing it this way?
Reel. Come to him. You gotta run that this way, babe. Keep running and reel. We're gonna get our line back. Pull him up now. Hard. Pull. Don't let him go into the bridge. Pull. There he is. I got him on film. There you go. Oh.
I got it.
Wait, you're on the concrete here.
Shit.
Keep the rod tip out. There.
What am I doing?
You're gonna get right here. You're gonna keep the rod line away from the concrete, and he'll turn. Just like this. Now reel.
Am I gonna reel?
Yeah, reel. You're doing good.
Shit.
Now reel. Every time I let the rod tip down, you reel.
I can't reel.
When I only want to let it down. Reel. All right.
Hold on.
Reel.
I'm trying, baby. I can't push this. Shit.
All right, he's going out of the way.
Huh? How come this fucking thing won't go?
Because that's as far as we're gonna get him, babe. You got him. He's right there. We got him out of the water.
I can get him.
You can't get him. You're gonna break my rod. You try to get him up on the pier. I mean, I can get the gloves and try to pull him. You want me to do that? Let me get a glove on and try
I'm
to.
on the fucking camera.
I got him. Here, let him up on the camera now.
Can you see him?
A little more, babe.
Fuck you, fucker. Get him on the camera.
He's on there.
I'm pulling him.
Okay, baby, you're gonna break my rod. Let me get the gloves and maybe I can pull the line. You can't with the rod. Let me get. All right, here, let me see the line.
Yeah.
Open the.
Without him poking out
All
of
right,
the
he
water.
broke right at the hook. Perfect. All right, perfect. Well, it's hot as hell out, but we did pretty good. She caught a stingray and her first catfish ever, which is a pretty nice channel cat. I caught a lot of little perch and spot, lost a pretty nice perch, and caught a few pretty nice ones. If you didn't already, like and subscribe. Till next time.